Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yeah.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this outer smoke?
Now let's see what's new from Windows.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes.
Let's get an account going for you. You can use your own email address, or we can help you create a new one.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way.
Want to set up a pin?
Time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them, and select Accept when you're ready.
Whoa. Slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work? Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.